Welcome back to our WooCommerce 101 series. With categories, tags, shipping classes, and attributes covered, it's finally time to start creating products for your shop. Go to Products, Add Product. You'll then see a layout you should be familiar with from creating a normal post in WordPress. You'll see a product name field, the normal content editor, the new meta boxes for product data, and product short description. Over in the sidebar, the new meta boxes will be product categories, product tags, and product gallery, alongside the normal publish meta box at the top and your featured image meta box. As you can guess, in the product name field, this is where you'll title your product. We'll call our new product Flying Ninja. In the editor field, we'll write a little bit about our poster. This can be as long as you want, but normally a paragraph is a good length for this section. What you write here will show up beneath the product name in a typical product page layout. The product data meta box is where all of the most important information will go. As you can see, we can set the type of product we want to create. In this video, we'll create a simple product, but the options being simple product, grouped product, external affiliate product, and variable product. Next to the product type dropdown, you'll see two checkboxes that let you create a virtual product and make the product downloadable as well. We'll cover the virtual option shortly, but the downloadable product will be covered in another video. There are then settings separated into different sections running down the left side of the product data meta box. From the top, for simple product, those are general, inventory, shipping, linked products, attribute, and advanced. Let's start in the general section. Here you can set a SKU if you use those in your shop. SKU stands for stock keeping unit, and it is a way to help identify your products if needed. From there, we have a regular price field and a sale price field. Use the regular price field to set the normal price of your product, and if you ever want to put your product on sale, you can enter a sale price in the next field and also schedule the sale time period. If you select schedule, two new fields appear to set the from date and the to date for your product to be on sale. The last options in the general section let you set the product tax status. Then choose a tax class if it is taxable. In tax status, you can choose taxable, shipping only, and none. Then the tax class dropdown will have any tax classes you've created in the tax settings. The next section is for inventory. Here you can enable stock management at the product level, then set the stock status. Is this product in stock or out of stock? Then lastly, check if the product is sold individually, which will only let a customer buy one of this item in an order. Here's where virtual products come into play. If your product is not shipped at all, for example if you sell a service, you can check the virtual checkbox and the shipping section on the left side will be removed. If your product is shipped, then let's go over the shipping settings for your product. These are very important, so be sure you set the weight and dimensions here. If these aren't set and your shipping method calculates rates based on the product's dimensions, you will get errors at checkout. Lastly, you can set a shipping class for the product if you use classes that help set shipping costs. The linked products section lets you set upsells and cross-sells for this product, as well as assign the simple product to a grouped product. You can ignore the grouping setting for now, as we'll cover that when we create a grouped product. Use upsells to promote products that might be more profitable or of a higher quality. For example, your service you are selling might have a more expensive option with more features. You can entice customers to purchase that by making it an upsell on your lower end product. The upsells are shown on the product page beneath the original product's details. You can use cross-sells to sell related or similar products to your customers. The products set and cross-sales are normally shown on the checkout page to entice customers to buy more products. This all depends on your theme though. Some might remove the cross-sales from checkout. For a simple product, the next section for attributes isn't very important. These are normally used for variable products, but can be used on a simple product. This is useful should you want to display extra information about a product that is unlikely to apply to another. For example, you may sell a one-off Japanese game to an English audience. You can make a language attribute for that one product and display in the product data section on the front end. Finally, under the advanced section, you can add a purchase note, which will be sent to the customer after purchase. You can set a menu order, and the final option lets you enable or disable reviews for this product. With all of the product data options set, there are only a few more things to cover. As we talked about in the previous video, you can select or create a product category in the sidebar. You can also add or select product tags. The featured image field works just like it does when creating a post, and for a product, the featured image is the main image that is seen across your shop page. The product's main image when viewing the product, the thumbnail you see in the cart, etc. The last thing to cover is the product gallery. Here you can upload other images to your product or choose from existing ones in your media library. These will show up beneath the product's featured image. That's all there is to creating a simple product in WooCommerce. Watch the next video if you want to create a grouped product. Thanks for watching.